You speak. Look at this geese.
Isa sa gitna, isa sa tabi. Hilda, you're in the middle.
No, I'm just making a video in this.
Oy, don't make me have a video. Don't be silly.
It's alright.
Eat bread. Nobody keep a bread now. Nobody
Anong tawag dito? Park Lake. This is Park Lake.
Kanino mo yan sinisend?
Sinisend ko sa family ko.
Send ko to family.